Manay. Yes. Q&A. Ito na ang host natin, Miss Manay Ethel Ramos. Manay Ethel. Alright. Salamat po.
Sorry ha, I don't have the energy of the two boys. Ngayon na, ako na magtatanong na. Paano nabuo yung
Justine.
Correct.
Si Justine. Sexy!
Ang cast of Good Vibes po, in-audition po namin silang lahat. Mula pa po last year, after ng TVB Teens, kaya sa mga po ay nagkakito po. Ang lahat po talaga sila ay in-audition namin. And there's a reason po bakit po isa sa kanila ay naging partner natin.
Anong magiging role ng mga ito? Yung mga roles sa side mga barkada lang.
Baka po the cast would like to answer, just say a little something about the role that you play po sa show. Hello, ako po si Leia Carlos. Ako yung Queen Bee, magiging mean girl dito, rich. Saan makita?
Ako po, gaganap po ako bilang si Monique Castillejo. Ex po siya ni Mark Pedrosa. Tapos ano po siya, parang competitive kasi parang kaming frontrunner to be valedictorian. So parang nagko-compete po ako sa kanya.
Paano malaman yung mga edad?
18.
18 po ay 16.
Ako po, 16 years old. Character ko po dito ay isang closet gay.
Anong role mo? Anong role? Ilang taon ka na?
16 years old.
16.
Saka po, closet gay.
I'm a member of the dance team. I'm a romantic, but she's scared to fall in love. Just a member of the dance team who loves the team and loves dancing.
Hello po, ako po dito si Ara Gonzalez, the popular girl in school. Ara is not really a good dancer, pero she's important to the group kasi po magaling siya sa logistics. And secretly in love kay Mark Pedrosa. 18 years old po ako. Thank you!
Ako naman po, I play the role of Janine Guys. Medyo inisero po ako dito kasi I grew up in the States. So, ayun po, I'm also a dance cover. Hello po, ako naman po si Maribeth Tamayo. Maribeth Tamayo po. Best friend po ako dito ni Troy Cabrera. And gusto ko ako sa kanya, hindi ko lang sabi sa role na to. And I'm 18, I'm 17 years old. I'm so sorry, nalilito.
Hello. My character is Spencer Zip. He's from Australia. And yes, he's from Australia. He plays the cousin ni Franco, which is played by Aaron Villaflor. He's the best friend of Mark, and he wants to dance, be part of the dance crew, but he was born with a sickness, so it restricts him. Basically, that's it.
Hello po, ako po si Ivan Loshner. Pero din sa Good Vibes, ako po si Gabriel Weiss. Taga po ako sa New York po. I'm 17 in the show. Ako bilang isang mysterious na lalaki. Totoo eh. At lagi kong sumusundo sa kung anong gusto ni Janine. Si Janine.
Thank you. Ako po, I play the role of Mark Pedrosa. Basically, he's an achiever. He grew up in a pretty well-off family, upper middle-class family. Achiever siya. He's the captain of the dance troupe, running for valedictorian. So, parang on the outside, parang he's like the perfect son and the perfect student and all that. Pero may conflict ako sa half-brother ko. And parang he has this constant, he always tries to make his father proud, pero hindi niya nakukuha. And he gets jealous of Troy kasi parang mas may attention siya to him. And that's how the story goes and how it revolves around our brotherhood.
Yes, ako naman po si Troy Cabrera. Laki siya sa hirap. Yung mother niya, yung basis ng whole life niya. He grew up with his mom. Yung real father niya, si Tito Dominic, he wasn't there most of his life. So, matindi yung galit niya dito kay Tito Dominic. So, ayun siya. Ni Kuya, hindi doon pala. And, hindi siya masamang tao. Mukhang masama lang, pero mabait talaga siyang tao. Ano lang siya, medyo masakit lang talaga yung what you went through. And so, ayun, medyo parang mysterious na siya na konti. So, ayun.
And, yeah, parang, ano po, the story revolves po kasi around yung magkapatid. But at the same time, na-overcome po namin yung mga challenges namin. Because we're a dance crew, and meron kasi pong sarili-sarili kaming stories. And that's how we tutulungan namin isa't isa. And yung dahil isang dance crew kami, doon po nabubuo yung friendships namin, yung harmony. And we tackle kasi po mga issues that teenagers go through on a daily basis. And that's, I think, how the people can relate po dun sa story namin. Lahat. Like the first one.
It plays your song. Ngayon since hindi nyo pa kami masyadong mga kilala, every writer, I will to ask questions. I will introduce them to you, and then also the corresponding takers, whatever they represent. Tandaan mo ninyo ang mga pangalan nila. May iba dyan mga matampuli. Ito ngayon si Pete Apolloquio, radio host, and of course writer.
Thank you for the answer. I'd like to ask the guy who delineates the role of a closet queen, di ba? How did you go about it? I didn't quite get your name, but could you please tell it to me again? And how did you approach the role? At gay ka ba talaga in real life?
Ang pangalan ko po ulit ay si Chikara Nawa.
Your name is?
Chikara Nawa. Japanese. Not Japanese. Pero Japanese. Hindi ko po dito gay. Pero sa totoong buhay ko, hindi ko ako galing.
Hindi ka ba lang sa role mo? Hindi ka ba na-intimidate sa role mo? Nung sabihin na yung delineating your role of a closet queen, hindi ka ba na hindi ka nag-start on second thoughts?
Hindi naman po. Kasi po, for me po, work is work po. Hindi nyo po pwedeng damdamin po yung pagka-closet. Pero po, ayan. It's only a job. Not a blow job, but a job.
Okay, thank you very much. Miss Maribeth Bichara is there. I'd like to ask, how do you feel working for ABS-CBN once again after being away for quite some time? Di ba dati 17 na napapanood parate? And now you're working with us again. How does it feel working for ABS again?
Yung pong, hello? Yung pong sa freelancer po kasi ako. So,
Okay.
I go from one network to the other. But I'm so happy that ABS still got me to work with them.
You're a good actress.
Thank you po.
You're very intelligent.
Thank you po, very much. Okay, I'm a very ambitious woman in this
You're actually Vincent here?
Yeah. What would you say?
Hindi, ano lang. Sexy.
Okay. Ako po yung ambitious na vice principal that I'm after the position of Dominic Nestor, yung principal ko doon. And hindi po ako sang-ayon sa mga dance group nila because I want them to finish their academics. More on that. So, kapaligtaran ng personality ko, which I love to dance. And again, this is for my dream role. I've been wanting to do Contrabida ever since, but nobody wants to get me.
Finally,
I got it, you know? And nagpapasalamat ako sa writers, sa staff. Sobra po yung tiwalang binigay sa akin to pitch around with this kids.
bagay ka naman talaga. You look like it.
Saka, pagdating po doon, talagang takot sila. Kasi kung hindi, talagang gano'n. Ano tawag niyo sa akin? Terror? Terror teacher. So yun lang, ginagampanan ko lang po yung binigay nila sa akin na role. And I'm so excited po na iba yung buhay ko, na iba yung mundo ko sa showbiz. Kasi matagal ko na pong hinahanap tong role na to.
Okay.
Napansin din po.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Salamat.
Thank you. And Weekend, yung role nyo rito, how did you go about this? Mahirap ba? Are you at least delineating the kind of role?
Hindi naman naghihirapan. Siguro ano lang. Just new to
I
it.
haven't seen you before. Your first time to act.
Hindi po. I've been sa Pieta po before.
Not actually sa ABS-CBN.
Sa ABS rin po yun. Yung Pieta.
I'm sorry, I wasn't able to watch. Okay.
Wala lang. Kasi usually rich kid. So ito medyo, you know, yung other way
Yung
around.
share yung Pieta? Yung afternoon show? Ano ba yun?
Yes, yun po yun. Yun po yun.
Okay.
Yes. So, ayun, parang mahirap kasi lagi siyang halatang na may problema siya or may masakit o may nararamdaman siyang hindi niya kaya o gustong ipalabas.
Okay.
Pero lagi nasa loob na lang, tapos lagi yung tinatago. So medyo ano lang.
Secretive yung role mo.
Hindi naman secretive. Parang gano'n.
A bit.
Parang
Yes, a bit.
ayaw pakita yung true feelings niya.
Okay.
So, yung part na yun,
Try to hide your feelings. Your
Oo,
feelings.
so dapat sa mata, sa kambuhala, lahat yun. So, medyo challenging at first, pero okay naman.
And Sam?
Yes, for me po, it's definitely a huge challenge. Kasi comparing to my, kapag kina-compare ko po sa mga dati kong roles like let's say superhero, Boy Bawang, or Kapatid ni Betty La Fea, or Batang Viola, it's parang
It's different.
Iba lang po siya, but of course, as I mas tumanda na ako ngayon, so hindi, ibig sabihin ko, my roles is mas mature na konti, and mas, coming into my own, character din, and then, harder na yung role, syempre, mas complicated na, and it's a huge challenge for me, and, constantly naman po, every taping we, I learn new things about the character and new things about myself.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mike. And
Now, the next question will come from Jocelyn de Maculangan.
Do you think dance classes
Opo, nag-dance workshop na po kami with may Makita with Miss Maribel. So, tsaka nag-gymnastics din po kami. Opo, so.
in each story, how will you ensure na How will you ensure na matatagal itong good?
Siguro ano lang, it's something new na we haven't seen before. Hindi siya dance drama pero it's more of a youth-oriented show na siguro it's more of the stories of teenagers pero we're all united na through dance. And siguro yung mga bata, they can relate sa mga scenes na nangyayari or mga teen pregnancies, meron din dito. So, siguro, they'll learn a lot from it. And, yung mga dance sequences, siguro, parang siya high school musical. So, first time, or step up. So, parang first time